Hi guys, I'm back with the Dip Powder Mini. So I did purchase the September's Triple D Diva Box. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Now I've already opened it and done my swatches. So the first that came in the box was the 3-in-1 whipped gel. And I'm glad that this didn't have the aluminum seal on it. So that was kind of easy to remove. And so nice neutral colors, soft pinks. I think that's like not a lemon yellow, but it was a really light yellow. So the first color is Pink Graffiti, which is a black dip powder with silver and pink foil flakes in there. The next one is Diva Dip 102, exclusive to the box. It was a nice shade of pink. For me, it reminds me of a salmon pink. And so the next, again exclusive to the box, is Diva Dip 103. It's a black dip powder with pink glitter in there. I think the black is glitter as well. And the next color, Diva Dip 104, is a pink dip powder with hints of silver sparkle in there. And I forgot to open up Pink Graffiti. I believe this is available for purchase via the site. Very pretty color. Like swatched out. When I swatched it, I was like, ew, you are real pretty. And so the next item in the box is Mermaid Juice 3. In the August box, there was two, which is a liquid chrome. There was Mermaid Juice 1 and 2. And so this box came with Mermaid Juice 3. It also came with one of the long cuticle sticks that I absolutely love. I'm getting choked. And the next item are some nail stickers, Halloween themed. I don't know why I'm choking, but these came with pink, white, and black nail stickers and some additional decals as well. And of course, we have a cuticle oil, Scary Good. Now, I did like this one. This one smelled really, really good. Kind of reminded me of another cuticle oil that she has, but it's something different in it. Okay, and so I decided to do a mani with two of the colors. So I decided to use the solid pink along with the pink glitter, and I'm using Triple D's Delicate Base Dip Liquid. What am I saying? And so of course I do have on Hollow Taco Pilly base on top of my builder gel. These are my nails that I've grown out with the use of builder gel. And so I'm applying a thin layer of dip powder and I'm pouring over. And just as a reminder, when you're using low odor or odorless dip liquids, they do take a little bit longer to dry. So you want to be mindful of that. If you see like the dip powder looks wet, you want to re-dip your fingers so that you can soak up the dip base liquid. Of course, with this particular box, since it has the Halloween stickers in here, I'm assuming Halloween themed, and throwing in the pink for breast cancer awareness. You guys know in October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, plus spooky season begins. I'm not really a big fan of Halloween, and when I say that, because I don't like to be scared. Like, my daughter loves scary movies, and she wanted to go see, I think, The Nun or something like that, and she was like, are you going? No ma'am, I'm not paying to be scared. No, I don't want to pay to sit in a movie and be scared. I don't think so. But anyway, I digress. So with October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, make sure you go get your mammogram if you're 40 and over. And also make sure that you do your self-breast exams every month. Now, me being the nurse that I am, I must remind you of these important things. Early detection is key. And so, on a not so serious note, I'm going in with my second coat, and I probably need to buy another bottle of this Delicate Base Dip Liquid because I am running low. I had to tilt my bottle, which you can't see, but I had to turn that thing almost upside down to get some liquid out. But so, note to self, buy you a new liquid, some new Delicate Dip Liquids. And so again, I only do 2 nails on camera, because one's solid, one's glimmer, one's glitter, and I do apply 2 coats of each color. And so also off camera, I do encapsulate my glitter nails in Triple D's clear. You want to do that so that you can protect the glitter from turning colors during the filing and buffing process. Once all nails are done, you want to brush off excess dip powder on the nail, and then I'm going in with Triple D's Delicate Activator. Activator is what will harden or cure your dip powder in preparation for filing and buffing. And typically I'll wait about approximately 5 minutes before I go in and do my filing and buffing. And typically you can tap and the nail will be hardened. You'll hear that little sound on your nails and you know they're ready for filing and buffing. So I did my filing and buffing off camera, cleaned my nails off with water and dried those off. I'm going in with Triple D's Delicate 2-in-1 base and top gel and applying that to the nail because of course I wanted to use the mermaid juice. So I'm applying a coat of that to all nails and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And for whatever reason, I didn't get dip powder all on the left side of my middle finger. I don't know how I missed that, but anyway, so once I cure, and you guys are going to see me mess up with this mermaid juice. Now, it was fine in the other video I did last month, but for some reason this particular day I was struggling. Like, it was struggle city. So here are my nails after curing. I could have left them like that and went on about my business, but no, y'all know I have to add extra stuff to my nails. So I've cured. I'm going in with mermaid juice number 3. And so I am going to apply that. And last time I let it sit a little bit, but for whatever reason, in this video was sped up for time purposes. But I'm giving that a good little shake. And then I'm going to use the applicator there and apply it to my nails. I'm just patting that all over my thumbnail. And then I go in with the eyeshadow applicator and I'm going to rub it in. And I know it works. It's chrome because it gets all on my skin. Now, why did I do that right there? I don't know. I was just doing something. So I'm applying that to my middle finger and my ring finger, and then I go in and rub it in to accomplish the chrome effect. I end up doing this a total of 3 times. Why? I don't know. I didn't really see a chrome effect with this one. Maybe y'all see it, and maybe my eyes was playing tricks on me because I do need an eye exam, but I was rubbing it in and it wasn't chroming like I wanted it to. Now, I don't know if I over cured my top coat. I don't know if that's such a thing or if it just was not working for me today, because you can see like a little chrome splotchiness on the nails. And I saw Daily Charm had a video on Instagram regarding what happens, what causes that, not what happens, but what causes that to happen. And so of course I couldn't find it to reference, but again, you see me applying it again, rubbing it with my finger, rubbing it in. Again, the top coat's cured, so that's not the problem. So I'm not 100% certain. But anyway, once I gave up, I could see a little bit of the chrome effect. I go in and apply some of the ghost stickers to my nail, and then I go in and apply another layer of the 2-in-1 Delicate base and top gel and cure for 60 seconds, and then I go in and apply some of that good old smelling cuticle oil. As previously mentioned, after I quit messing around with that liquid chrome, again, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know, because like I said, last video, the liquid chrome worked fine. So again, it's probably user error, but we gonna keep it moving. It is what it is. So I now those stickers were hard to get off that paper, and I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was because it was like frosted paper or whatever it was, but I was using my nail art tweezers and I was struggling trying to get them little ghosts off of there. They were pretty, but and cute, but I was struggling. skin. Now maybe I was hungry, I don't know, because I record and then I do voiceovers later. And so I'm just applying the little ghosties to my nail, and making sure I press those down. Again, I'm not worried about any type of gel, my skin touching uncured gel, because it is top coat that I initially applied. And so I'm applying the stickers and giving that a good rub, and as I mentioned, I'm going in and applying another layer of the 2-in-1 top gel and curing for 60 seconds. So if you guys found value in this video, please hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about this set, and if you use Triple D products, and what do you think. And please subscribe to my channel. It is free 99 after all. So I thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys for watching. See you next time.